Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new product to review, and I know you guys been asking me for an external fuel tank, but this one is special. This one is from Genmax. It's an extended fuel tank, but it's actually powered by the generator, so you don't have to rely on vacuum. I'll show you the old one I have over there, but this one, it's powered by the generator. This is what it looks like. It just screws right onto the top. I just have it hanging out. I haven't gone through the installation yet, but I'll show you that. It's powered. You can see it get 12 volt right here from the 12 volt output on the generator. So once the generator shuts down, the fuel pump will shut down also, so no risk of it running. It has an automatic shut off. I'll go through it with you guys, but we've been looking for a external fuel tank for gasoline generators. So this is the Genmax EFI fuel injected generator. One of the things about this generator is it runs on gas, but you guys just hate the fact that you have to come and refuel it every 10 hours. So now you can have an external. This is an external 6-gallon tank I have. It doesn't come with the tank. You have to get the tank, but the pump, you don't have to worry about refueling your generator every 10 hours, so that you can actually go all overnight with a very efficient generator. Now you have external fuel tank capability from Genmax. One of the things I have to point out right away is the external fuel tank from Genmax only work with this type of fuel tanks, and it's the ones with the quick connect. So when you get your tank, make sure you have this type of connection. It only works with this. It comes over here and it just plugs. It's kind of hard to do it. There you go. Just slides right on. The old one relied on vacuum from the gas tank. So once that gas starts being sucked down, it would pull gas from the hose and from your external tank. You don't have to worry about that anymore. It's all powered. You have to get these caps to special fit your generator. Now you don't have to worry about vacuum. You don't have to worry about if it's not pulling gas. So let me show you everything that comes with the fuel pump. You have the external fuel pump right here. This is where it plugs in. It takes 12 volt DC. You have a switch, your lights on top, green and red. On the back side, turn this around. This is where you connect your quick connect to your fuel hose. I like the cover, keeps it from getting damaged. On the bottom you can see your you can see the float that activates and turns off the fuel pump. This is threaded for most Genmax small generators, so it should work on any model. Over here is the connector, so that's your 12 volt connector. See, it has a little lock so you could lock it in place. The quick connect, it comes with two battery cables. So this one, if you want to use an external battery, I like this one right here because it plugs right into the generator 12 volt output. That's your fuel line with your primer bulb, your instructions. So guys, let's just go over this thing. Let's plug it into the generator and let's see exactly how it works. Over here, I got this fuel tank. It does not come with a fuel tank, so you have to get the fuel tank with this style connector. It plugs right into this style connector, so it only works with this style. The old style, like this, works on vacuum. It will not work with this style external fuel tank. All right, this one relies on vacuum. You get these little caps, plug it to your generator. You have to be careful how high or how low you put it. You don't have to worry about that with the Genmax model. We're going to be using the EFI generator. This generator is very fuel efficient, but most people hate the fact that they have to refuel it like every 10-15 hours. But now with the external fuel pump, you don't have to do that, because now you have an extra 6 gallons and you can actually refuel your generator external tank and don't have to shut it off. The first thing you're going to do is come over here, open up your gas tank, you have to remove this fuel filter. Just stick your fingers in there and pull your fuel filter out. This one, you need to take this off. So you come over here, squeeze this, just remove it, just drop it inside the tank. If you need it, you just pull it back up. Gas cap, take it off together with the filter. Once you have your fuel filter and your gas cap off, get your pump, just drop it in and twist it on. Right up front like this. You don't have to over tight, just get it right there so you can connect your 12-volt power. Alright guys, so it's time for us to connect our fuel line. The arrow pointing towards the generator, okay? So this is the one I need. I'll come over here, get my cover off, and the small one goes right here, and I'll just line it up, press the tab, just go ahead and put it all on. It locks in place. Now we got our 12-volt power, put it on, get it locked in. I'm going to be using the one with the cigarette lighter, so go ahead and connect that in. I'll plug this in. Alright guys, now I get this side, I connect it to the gas tank. That's it. The thing, once you remove, you don't have to worry about removing this filter, because this one, the tank has its own filter. So just make sure you filter all your gas before putting it in this tank. Alright, so we have our power, we have our gas tank connected. Let's fill this up with gas. Alright guys, so I just added gas to this. Go ahead and cover it up. Make sure you unscrew this so you get some air that can go into the tank. Get your primer and pump it up until you fill fuel. Once you fill some fuel in there, you can fire up your generator. Another thing you need to be careful, do not run the gas line behind the exhaust. Just keep everything to the side and keep the external tank away from the exhaust side. Let's fire this up. You can hear me. Generator is running. The green light on, that means it's pumping gas into the generator. As you can see, we're getting gas because I had no gas in this generator. Now it's being filled up by the pump. So what it's going to do is fill the tank up. Once that sensor gets to full, it will stop. Likes it right about 3/4 and it's going to maintain that 3/4 mark. So now it took almost a gallon, pumped it into the tank. So now what I like about this is I can come over here, I can open this up, I can refuel my external tank, and I don't have to worry about shutting down the generator just to refuel. I still want you guys to shut down the generator and check the oil at least every 24 hours. But at least if you're running heavy, you don't have to stop it. You can just come over here, fill your tank up. Just make sure that valve is open. See it's flashing? That means it's in standby mode. That's it guys, real easy. All you have to do is just turn it on, connect it, and it does all the work for you. So now you can run your gasoline tank with an external tank. You don't have to worry about running out of gas overnight. Okay, so I just shut my generator off, and now my external pump is shut off too. I don't have to worry about doing anything. As soon as you turn the generator off, if you do have an external battery, disconnect the external battery or turn off your pump. But there you have it guys. For those of you who really wanted the EFI, and most times people go with a dual fuel, is because of that extended run capability, running it on propane or natural gas. But now you can do it with your external tank on gas and get your full power outage on your generator. There you have it guys, Genmax external fuel tank. It fits perfectly on the generator. It looks good, it works great, and you can go with a 6-gallon. I have a 6-gallon extra external tank over here. So there it is guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description for this. If this is something you're looking for, if you're looking for the 4600, well, now you have an external tank. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video showing you the Genmax external fuel tank. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you're looking for this, I'll put the link in the description. I also put the tank in the description because you have to have the external tank with it. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.